And cool this train look. Oh my god. Easy.
This is
Listen, I haven't even made it to the
in Bangkok.
Yeah, there's a bloke. Don't take your missus.
Hai guys, jumpa lagi di Bang Jaka Channel. Kali ini kita bakal ngereaksi bareng video para bule yang awalnya mengira Indonesia itu negara miskin guys. Tapi mereka langsung sok berat pas lihat kenyataannya di lapangan. Mulai dari transportasi, mall, sampai suasana kota Jakarta yang bikin mereka geleng-geleng kepala guys. Penasaran gimana ekspresi dan komentar jujur mereka? Yuk langsung aja kita lihat videonya.
This before it feels so luxury. Oh, I never had this service at the train. That someone is welcoming me. Hi. And
Kagum deh,
look
guys.
how futuristic and cool this train looks. Oh my god, I never had this before. It feels so luxury. Speed again. Oh my god, we're going 232. Whoa. Whoa, we're going 350. Thanks for saying it. Sure. Wow. Wow.
Terus terganggu-ganggu ya guys ya. Gak berhenti dan terganggu-ganggu.
The views are actually so beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video.
Wih, baru masuk kereta aja udah langsung dibuat takjub guys. Emang sih kereta cepat Jakarta-Bandung itu emang beda level guys. Futuristik, bersih, dan pelayanannya ramah banget. Ini yang bikin bule-bule shock karena mereka nggak expect Indonesia bisa secanggih ini guys.
Yo, there's a boat in the mall, guys.
Wow.
And a lighthouse. Sorry forgot that. Oh my.
Ini mall di Indonesia ya.
This is a really fancy mall, guys. And I think this district we landed here and shows how developed Jakarta is. It reminds me a little bit of Singapore, to be honest. So this looks
Wow, emang guys, ini di mana? Di SCBD?
Really quite massive shopping
this
center.
mall is so high. I cannot even
Dikira dia Indonesia itu hutang ya.
Guys,
my height. Anxiety.
the best
Wow.
thing I have to say, the malls and the restaurants in the malls are full. I have the feeling in other Southeast Asian countries it's like really the locals can't afford all this.
Restaurants are full of locals,
Yeah.
not full of tourists like us, and that's nice to see. Because in Bangkok and Manila, it's always just that foreigners are in these restaurants, and the malls are fairly empty. But here you can see that the majority people are actually Indonesians, and that's
Kaget
how
guys,
it
ya.
should be. Wow, guys, Lamborghini store. That's amazing.
Lamborghini, toko Lamborghini ya.
Lamborghini store in the mall.
Never come to the malls in Indonesia. It's a trap. There's about every shop in the world for the ladies. High street shopping. She wanted to go in every one of them. If I was you and I was a bloke, don't take your missus here. Just skip the malls in Indonesia. There is a lot on offer. They have everything here. It's pretty impressive. Better than other Southeast Asian nations I've seen in a while. So it's pretty good. Pretty impressive.
Haha, belum tahu mereka guys. Ini bukan cuma mall biasa. Di Jakarta, mall itu udah kayak tempat wisata. Ada perahu, ada mercusuar, ada spot foto, lengkap guys ya. Yang di luar Nurul ya, ada juga toko Lamborghini di dalam mall guys. Makanya bule itu pada kaget semua ya. Jadi nggak heran bule ini langsung bilang ini mirip Singapura guys. Bahkan dia bilang Jakarta ini kayak permainan tersembunyi. Wow, mind blowing guys.
In New York, country jungle where dreams are made. Joking, guys, but it reminds me definitely like that. But it is way more green. I really have to say this place.
Sampai dia bilang ini, wah ini New York nih. Gitu.
Underrated. I didn't imagine Jakarta to be that
Kaget deh guys.
developed and so nice infrastructure. I'm really positively shocked, guys. So big props to you.
Shock
I really
banget
have
lah.
to say, and I noticed quite a lot, is like how green even the cyber hub area is. I mean, it looks so jungly, and then there's these huge complexes. That's a really big upside. I feel it's like so much more working and living quality because you don't feel like such a concrete jungle.
The air is way better than currently in Bangkok.
Yeah, there's
I
big
was just
pollution
1
problem.
month ago. I was in Bangkok. The air is.
If you also know how much the prices are for living here, because I would feel like a flat here is really expensive compared to different Indonesian prices, also Jakarta prices. So if you know it, definitely let us know in the comments. But I think living standard is the highest in whole Jakarta, or maybe also Indonesia here, maybe besides island.
Nah ini poin penting guys. Kadang orang luar mikir tempat mewah itu cuma buat turis, tapi di Indonesia guys, warga lokal juga bisa menikmatinya ya kan. Beda guys, karena Indonesia ini fasilitasnya ya kan, tempat-tempatnya itu bisa dinikmatin oleh semua kalangan. Nggak mesti turis, nggak mesti orang kaya guys.
Gone a little bit wrong. So we have just started walking, and this is just
to see how safe it is in Jakarta. There are a lot of locals hanging about. We are sticking out like.
Ini guys, dia termakan pinah sama kawannya guys. Dan kawannya bilang jangan ke Indonesia. Di Indonesia itu nggak aman, kacau ya kan. Apalagi bawa keluarga yang berisiko berat kan. Tapi kenyataannya coba lihat nih guys.
Saw thumbs just walking along a main road. There's lots of police presence. It's a little bit alarming, but everyone is so kind and saying hello. I don't know how we're going to get on, but en route to try and find the oldest cathedral. Whether we'll find that or not, whether what's going on, people warned us not to come here as a family. But this is one thing to do, and it's, you know, take it on in. Everyone's really kind, everyone's saying hello. So no concerns as of yet, but it is going to get
Kaget ya guys, karena ternyata warga-warga di sana ramah-ramah ya guys.
I think we can find our way around.
Yes.
I think we're all right, but yeah, this is one way to take in a new city in a short amount of time, walk around absolutely aimlessly.
Dan untuk bule yang buat keluarganya guys, jelas selama ini Indonesia di mata luar tuh masih negatif guys. Tapi begitu datang langsung ya kan, dia langsung sadar guys. Wow, mind blowing semua. Awalnya dia agak tegang guys lihat polisi banyak. Tapi ternyata semua orang di situ ramah dan santai guys. Jadi aman dan nyaman banget ya kan. Nah, hal-hal kayak gini nih yang bikin bule suka terharu guys. Jadi jujurly mereka guys mengatakan bahwasanya dalam hati mereka memang orang Indonesia ini susah banget untuk ditandingi.
Finally understand why Asians fully shit on Australian shopping malls, because I'm in Indonesia right now and look
Indonesia
at
guys.
this.
Look at this.
Yo,
Oh,
this
yo.
is crazy.
This is crazy guys.
Walking for
Gila.
hours and I haven't even made it to the other side, let alone some of the other levels.
Kagum deh
Like
guys.
Jakarta is insane.
So I'm in Grand Indonesia in Jakarta right now, and look how confusing these floor numbers are here.
Bingung deh, ini lantai berapa ya?
There's lower ground.
Jadi jangan kira bule itu maju-maju guys. Enggak, bule itu kuno guys ya. Di Indonesia aja mereka takjub. Welcome to Grand Indonesia. Malnya gede banget, bahkan bisa nyasar guys. Belum lagi lantainya bikin bingung guys. Tapi semua itu bagian dari keunikan Indonesia guys. Nah, banggalah jadi orang Indonesia. Jakarta. Oh, ini pas Car Free Day.
Banyak-banyak orang lari, main-main sepeda, banyak anak di sini lari, jalan-jalan. Ini bagus guys. Pertama kali saya datang di Jakarta Car Free.
Ada pohonnya ya kan, ada bunganya cantik-cantik, ada kolamnya guys, ya. Ada air terjunnya ya kan.
Saya rugi bawin tapi ini bagus pun. Very nice. Have a great weekend semua.
Bulenya bahkan sampai senyum-senyum sendiri dan puji Jakarta sepanjang jalan guys. Gimana tuh guys ya? Dan mereka juga kaget, ternyata standar hidup di Jakarta guys tinggi kan, tapi harga-harga barangnya masih relatif murah dibanding sama negara-negara tetangga lainnya. Jadi ini benar-benar nilai plus banget buat Indonesia guys. Nah, dari semua reaksi jujur bule tadi, kita bisa tarik satu benang merah guys. Indonesia itu jauh lebih maju dan keren daripada apa yang mereka bayangkan ya kan. Infrastrukturnya lebih canggih, masyarakatnya ramah, dan fasilitas publiknya kelas dunia guys. World class. Dan yang paling bikin bule salut, bule-bule ini jujur banget ngaku salah sangka guys. Awalnya dikira negara berkembang biasa, negara miskin. Pas datang mereka langsung kagum guys. Mind blowing ya kan. Nah, gimana menurut pendapat kamu? Silahkan berikan tanggapan, sanggahan, opini, dan kritik di kolom komentar. Semoga bermanfaat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ciao.